This week we got a living room for renovation. Our task is to turn it into industrial style. This is how it looked before. The first thing we will do is to remove everything superfluous or in excess of the walls. When we removed the heat sinks, we found they were black, which made our job easier. We also tried to fix all the cables for the internet and the heating system so that it looks nice and tidy. Our next step is to remove the cabinet in the middle and the top wood. This room never stopped surprising us. It turned out that the electricity meter and all the cables are in this part. When we were drinking coffee, we found an old iron door in the garden. We decided to give it a new life by restoring it and using it as an interior door for the electricity meter. But first we need to make the frame fit the door.